Good morning, students. I am starting the chapter electric current and its effect. Before starting this uh, chapter electricity, we need to understand the importance of electricity. Electricity is very useful in our home also, as many of the home appliances can start from electricity. So due to these home appliances like fan, cooler, mixer, washing machine, or air conditioner, our life becomes easy. Electricity is produced at power station, and big electric generator at power station produces electricity. From the power station, electricity comes at home from various powerhouses. Then through electricity, though electricity is very useful, but it is quite dangerous when we play with electricity. Your electrics switch which is providing electricity, that is nearly 220 volt. For doing any experiment at the level of 7th standard, it is quite dangerous. So for experiment or to understand what is electric current, various type of circuit diagram you have drawn last year. So this is also in this diagram also, this is a very small circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, the first circuit diagram is the open circuit diagram, and in this open circuit diagram you have used as tester. And if you have used any of the conducting material, then bulb can glow, and if any of the insulating material you have used, then bulb cannot glow. So you have classified various type of material present at home. You can understand that what are the substances conduct electricity and what are the substances which cannot conduct electricity. This was the last content of your previous year. Now here in the second circuit, as this key is put, so circuit is completed and bulb is glowing. You have used here, there is a cell, and you know from last year that electricity produced by this cell or battery, and the flow of electricity from positive terminal to negative terminal. This is the positive terminal and this one is the negative terminal of this cell or battery. So electricity is flowing from positive terminal to negative terminal. This one is the direction of flow of electricity. Now from your previous year's book only, I am taking the activity that is given in your previous book. So this is the activity given in your previous book. For your friends, you may set up a game. How steady is your hand? You will need a cell, an electric bulb, a metal key, two iron nail, one and 1.5 meter long thick wire, and few pieces of connecting wire. Fix two iron nails nearly 1 meter apart on a wooden board so that these can be used as a hook. Fix the wire between the nails after inserting it through a loop of key. Connect one end of the wire to a bulb and a cell. Connect the another terminal of the cell to key with wire. Ask your friend to move the loop along the straight wire without touching it. Glowing above would indicate that the loop of the key has touched the wire. Though I read this activity, but I think you cannot understand this activity, I am showing the complete electric circuit of this activity. This is the electric circuit about the activity that I read here. Here I have taken one wooden block, and over the wooden block this switch is present. This switch is present, you can understand from last year that we have given the name to this safety pin as switch. When safety pin is open, then this switch will be this switch is off and electric circuit will not be completed. When this safety pin is closed, then we can say that switch is on. Okay, so this is the condition of on position. Secondly, we have connected it with the battery. Okay, then the second end of this switch we have connected with the bulb. Now the bulb is connected to the key, and key has to move on its loop माने ये ऊपर वाला जो सर्किल है, that is loop. So that loop should not touched to the wire, and the long wire that is taken, that is fixed over the iron nail, and one iron nail is connected through the battery. This is the overall circuit diagram. So what is going on? When the loop of this key is touched to the wire, what is happening? The circuit is completed. How the circuit is completed? The current can flow from this direction, and then this direction as wire is connecting here. So this is the whole circuit diagram as the loop has touched at this distance. So in your activity, what you have to do, you need to tell your friend that he can move this key. He can move this key over the wire through the loop, and whenever his or her hands are steady, so that he can cross the whole 1.5 meter length, and she can reach till the another end of iron nail. It means she is steady, and or you can say her hands are moving steady, धीरे धीरे से मूव हो रहे हैं. This is about this activity. Okay, so in your class you will start this chapter from this activity. This is the one way from which we can have the fun game as well as one nice electric circuit has set up, and the various component of the electric circuit, that is one of the source of electricity, that is known as battery, one of the switch, that is known as key. In the sense of science, we can say key, or you can say switch. Then this is the bulb, then this is the conducting wires. These are the various component of the circuit. So how to represent these component in a symbolic manner, that we will read in the next video. Okay, so thank you.